guys, so I'm back and I don't think I am going to change my hairstyle because I feel kind of lazy. Let me know what you guys think about this no makeup look. I think I'm kind of loving it, and I think I might actually like this more than like a full face beat. But let me just tell you guys what I did. So I used some of this Better Than 6 mascara by Too Faced, and I sort of put it in my top lashes and my bottom lashes, and then I went in with some Fenty Beauty bronzer, and then I also went in with some blush by NARS. And I think what just sealed everything together has to be, I used this MAC press powder, and it's just like my shade, so I kind of like went in with that to sort of like blur the makeup, and I like how it looks. But I'm so sad, guys, because my microphone won't work for some reason. It's just not working, and I don't know why. But yeah, as I was saying, that's my grandmother. As I was saying, they surprised my grandmother with a car, but I'm gonna try and vlog for you guys. But the whole plans that we have changed because she does not want to go back to her house. So I think the car might actually be coming.
Sorry, I don't know. I don't know.
So I think the car might actually be coming to our house. I'm not quite sure, but we're just gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm gonna take some mirror pictures for my thumbnail. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll catch you guys later and update you on what the final plan is.
Ay man, wasambe wena hayiwa man, bathi khala mapi eSayidi babeka phezulu emafi chimama konye ngempalini sesibafakile layini bathi khala mapi eSayidi babeka phezulu emafi chimama konye ngempalini sesibafakile layini bathi bayiqedile izolo bayifuna igijima ngompimbi papa seyibhenyiwe nezolo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tawana if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. It is so great to have you here. You guys, I literally missed vlogging so much. Like, I don't think you guys understand. I've been in a slump, I've been in a rut. But yeah, you guys haven't seen me in a long time. I haven't picked up a microphone in a long time. I haven't picked up the camera in a long time. So there is so much to update you guys on. Not too much, but just know that I missed you guys. I missed you guys so much. I really missed vlogging. I missed talking to you guys. I missed interacting with you. I missed editing. I missed everything about my channel. And you know, I didn't want to like admit to it, but I genuinely did miss talking to you guys, and I hope you guys miss me too, and I hope you guys accept me as I am, even though I have been inconsistent and haven't posted in 2 months. But you know, I'm back now, and I would like to say I'm back and I'm better, but I'm still working on the better part. But just know that I'm back now, hopefully for a long time, hopefully forever. Okay, I hate when I'm not consistent with my channel. I really hate it, and I don't think you guys know how much I hate it, but it's just I needed a break. I needed, you know, some time off for myself, you know, to think of content and to just, you know, live in the moment, you know. So yeah, but I'm in a hurry right now. We're gonna talk about my life probably when I come back from my day. but the time is currently it's 14 past 1 right now. I need to take the car to the car wash. Hopefully the car will be done at like 2:30, and then I need to go and get a lace frontal. I'm getting a new lace frontal. Yeah, I think I need to start unlocking my inner Betty. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you guys my little outfit. So I'm wearing this top. I think you guys have seen me wear this top before. You are familiar with the top, but I got my hair done like a long time ago. I think it's been a while now. I think I'm actually like kind of loving it. I don't know. I really hated it over the past few weeks. I have not been liking it at all, but I'm kind of like warming up to it. Maybe it's because it's now kind of marinated and I can do my edges. I don't know. Okay, so today I'm sort of wearing this crop top that's from Shein, and then I'm wearing these jorts that are also from Shein. And yeah, I think that's kind of it for my outfit. Going to be leaving the house now because I am literally behind time. I'm so super duper late and I have so much to do, but I'm just gonna take you guys on a chill la calm vlogging day or whatever, and we're gonna do my errands together. So I hope you guys enjoy.
I've been all alone. No one left to call. I've been all alone. No one left to call.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tawana if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I don't even know why I'm doing an intro. Hey guys, so today is Monday. The date, I do not know where my tripod is. I have a pink tripod, the one that I was using the day that I took my car to the car wash. I do not know where it is. I literally cannot find it, but I wanted to show you guys my cutesy little outfits. Anyways, so today I'm just wearing like this red top and a skirt, which you guys cannot see, but today is a low-key, very hectic, a very busy day because I basically need to get my grandmother's car radio. Like, I need to install Apple CarPlay on the car, and then I also need to get some stuff. Okay, so I'm working part-time for my dad. So yeah, I need to get some stuff, like bricks, cement, and all of those other things. So hopefully I'll be able to vlog for you guys, just fingers crossed, because the areas that I'm gonna be going are like very congested. So I hope I'll be able to get the courage to whip out my camera, but if I cannot, then I'll just get a few clips in, and then just when I'm editing, I'll just add some music over it because I'm not about to be talking in front of all this grown air man. But yeah, that kind of sums it up. Do you guys like my no makeup look? I'm becoming much of a mascara girly. I have been a lash cluster girl through and through, but recently I've just been loving the natural mascara look. Like, it's just, but yeah, that kind of sums it up. I still don't know how to use my microphone. I think I haven't charged it actually. I keep forgetting, but yeah, so that kind of sums up what's gonna be happening today. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna catch you guys probably when I'm on the road or whatever. So yeah, cheerio. So yeah.
Samurai Jack.